I'm going to be showing you how to counter Umbrella in Whirlwind's Meet. So here are the main ways players counter Umbrella in Whirlwind's Meet. So parry or deflect the Umbrella's projectiles. So Umbrella builds only to rely on flying Umbrella shots or hovering attacks to poke from range. So parrying or deflecting these projectiles eats the attacker's chi quickly and nullifies their pressure. So if they're in the air firing shots repeatedly, parry until they drop or lose chi. So effective parry timing especially works if you stay grounded and spam block parry rather than rolling and taking free hits. You can also try blocking, defending instead of trying to beat it with damage. So the third step is to just stay close and pressure them in melee range, punish whiffs and long charge windows. Many Umbrella skills like immobilize or long charge shots have noticeable wind up. You can use CC and burst pressure against them. So that's how you counter Umbrella in Whirlwind's Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.